In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the substitute function in Google Sheets to replace text instantly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want your updated result to appear. Now, type the substitute formula. It follows a simple structure. Start with equals substitute. Then select your original cell, enter the text you want to replace, and finally type the new text you want instead. For example, if your sentence is in cell A2 and you want to replace a word, use A2 as your reference, type the word you want to find and then enter the new word. Press enter and you'll instantly see the updated result. Here's how it works. Google Sheets scans the text inside your selected cell, finds every matching word you specified, and replaces it with the new text. If you only want to replace a specific occurrence, like just the first instance of a word, you can add an extra argument at the end of the formula to control which occurrence gets changed. One important thing to remember is that substitute is case sensitive. So if your text uses capital letters, make sure your formula matches it exactly. This function is incredibly useful for cleaning data, updating repeated words, or making quick bulk changes without editing everything manually. And that's it. A simple formula that helps you replace text quickly and efficiently inside your spreadsheet. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.